I'm Navin Patterson. I'm a media studies major and I'm graduating of spring 2024. So I'm from the island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines in the South Caribbean. I decided to come to America, to Atlantic Cape, to pursue a media degree because I think it would help my country better if I had a media degree and a background where I could better facilitate and show my country in a different light and show experiences and broaden our horizons. For me, being a non-traditional student, I decided that one degree wasn't enough. I needed to get another one. I wanted to break out of the mold of being in a regular business or law or medicine. So I decided to join the media field because in the media field, I could interact and be intertwined with all networks of people, all backgrounds, all portfolios. So being in the media realm and having a media degree is good for me because it gets to let me touch every part of life that I could. Well, Atlantic Cape gave me the opportunity to reach my potentials or let me know where my potential is. And I would like to thank all my professors, especially Professor Bo Zolvik, who took me under his wing and gave me the opportunity to flex my muscles, as you would say, and let me have full creative freedom to do a lot of creative stuff on campus and get me to think of things in a more professional light and give me the experience I need to tackle the world out there.